Let's make curry leaf paneer. Heat oil in a pan, add diced onion, diced capsicum, chopped green chilies, few curry leaves and saute well. Add turmeric powder, salt, crushed ginger and garlic, few cashew nuts and mix well. Add the paneer cubes, mix well, cover and cook for couple minutes. Add curry leaf powder. For the recipe you can check out my website. Add garam masala and toss it well. Lastly, add coconut oil, chili flakes, mix well, garnish with curry leaves and enjoy as a starter, or roll it in roti and enjoy. For detailed recipe, please visit my website www.SailajaKitchen.Org.